So DEFERIT app, pay bills in 4. So how does it work? It's pretty cool app where you can just subscribe to this app. So you need to pay a monthly subscription fee. But then, for example, if you need to pay some bill with this app, then you can just upload the bill. The app will pay it upfront, and then you need to pay it back to the app in 4 installments. That can be quite handy. So simply take a photo, screenshot, or add a file, select the amount to pay your biller. We pay them the full amount upfront. And then, so that's one of the features. Additional features that you can save money on your bills, that they have some kind of service which can renegotiate or find cheaper offers for your internet, phone, TV, and more. So their team of account experts negotiate with your biller. If you can't save your money, you don't pay anything. Just basically the offer. The one downside of this app is that it's only available in US, and now it's also available in Australia, I guess. And in US, it's available in all states except for Delaware, Idaho, Indiana, so all of these kind of states. So this is where it's not available. You can read it just here in the top. And then also, so when you just create an account, you also need obviously to apply. So first you just need to subscribe to premium. There is no free trial. Then you just go and add a payment method, and that's what it is. Of course, if you want to cancel, active installments need to be paid prior to canceling. So if you upgraded, they paid for some bill, you can't just cancel it. You need to pay for all your installments, and then you can cancel it. So that's basically how it works, how you can just proceed from here. So that's what it is. Of course, there are a bunch of questions like with your credit score, all of that. I don't know. You can read it here. They just write that everything is great. It doesn't influence your credit score and all of that. But of course, you just need to double check that. For interest-free installments, they have here, and then they are due every 2 weeks. And it's reported to all 3 major credit bureaus to help build your credit history. So pretty interesting app. Hope it can help you out.